Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. Today we're going to talk about the topic of aging and anti-aging products as they are commonly referred to. We get a lot of questions about what a good anti-aging routine should look like and what you can expect from it. So first of all, I think that anti-aging products, you should really approach them as a tool to keep your skin looking healthy at all stages of life, versus trying to make you look like you're 20 when you're 50, because it's just not going to happen. So I think that having a good routine that keeps your skin looking great no matter what your age is what you should be aiming for. And definitely, there are two sort of categories when it comes to aging. There's preventative treatment and then there's corrective treatment. So preventative would be you start young, and that's what we recommend is you get on a good routine when you're at a young age, and then you just maintain it throughout your life and your skin is just going to be healthy always. And then there's corrective. So, for someone who may not have taken care of their skin when they were younger, with sun damage or whatever, then you look at corrective anti-aging products. So things that can help to, repair sun damage like dark spots or hyperpigmentation, etc. So in terms of what types of products to use, I guess there are two sort of main things. So under eye product and serum. So the first product being under eye product, definitely something I recommend as a part of your core routine. The under eye area is the first part of your face that shows signs of aging, so I think it's really good to get started on that early. Generally they help with dark circles, puffiness, fine lines. Those are the three main under eye issues that people experience, so they help to tackle that. And there's no cure-all for everything. Nothing's going to magically eliminate everything. But with continued and consistent use, they can definitely help to minimize these issues. So yeah, we have lots of different ones. Some of them are like lightweight gels like this from Men's Science, called the Eye Rescue formula. Looks like that. Very lightweight. We also have like richer creams. So things like this. So really there are a ton of different options, and that's what we're here for, is to recommend what's good for you. And then second to that would be serums. So serums are something that you use after washing your face and before applying moisturizer. If you just want to do it once a day, that's fine. So you can do it as like a nighttime part of your nighttime routine. Lots of different serums too. Some of them are quite broad in terms of the ingredients that they contain, and they address a lot of different things. For example, the Jack Black Protein Booster Skin Serum is a great one that has a lot of different ingredients. So if you don't have any specific issues with respect to your skin, that would be a good one, because it's going to tackle a whole bunch of different things. So skin tone, texture, fine lines, everything. And then, we have more specific ones. So for example, we have serums like a vitamin C serum here. So this is a 30% vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is a great ingredient for helping to repair sun damage, things like that, improve skin tone. We have other serums that are, good for redness or sensitive skin, etc., etc., etc. So really, lots of different options. If you want to get specific, you can get specific. And then if you don't even want to do a serum, what you could do is just like an anti-aging moisturizer. So then you're just, if you really want to keep it basic and you just have your moisturizer that contains some anti-aging ingredients, that could be an option too. Okay. So an example of an anti-aging moisturizer would be something like this from Dr. Dennis Gross. So it's called a ferulic and retinol anti-aging moisturizer. So it's got some anti-aging ingredients built into it, so to speak. So you're sort of killing two birds with one stone with that product there. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's all I wanted to say. Of course, you can explore all of these products on the website. We have lots of different categories. There's an under eye category, a serum category. There are even, I think, an anti-aging category, things like that. So you can check out all these different things under those categories. And of course, if you want advice, send us an email, come into the shop, and we can help you out. Thanks for listening.